I print money. Janet Yellen here borrows money.
Yes.
And together, we stimulate the economy by giving it to the people. My name is Jerome Powell. This is Janet Yellen. I'm the chairperson of the Federal Reserve, and today, we're giving money away because it's Halloween. I will be up for re-nomination. I highly encourage Congress to re-nominate Jerome Powell for the Federal Reserve because I print money very well. Here's $2. You're welcome. Chairpersons, Jerome Powell, this is Janet Yellen. Inflation is transitory. So far, we've given away about 80% of the money that we've printed. Janet, we might have to go back to the printer and print more.
If so, we will do so.
Excellent. Do you think we'll get the authorization from Congress?
Of course.
Nancy Pelosi will let us print more?
Of course.
Joe Biden will let us print more?
Yes.
We'll be able to print more if we need to.
No problem. I think it's been very successful.
Nothing could go wrong.
What could possibly go wrong?
You think Joe Biden will re-nominate us now?
He has to, right?
It must be a moral obligation after this event.
I would think so. You did very well tonight.
You too, Janet.
Thank you.
We should bring Jerome. We should bring Joe Biden some coffee after we have a little privacy. Janet,
Yes?
Thank you for taking the money that I print and distributing it to the people.
And thank you so much for printing it.
I will print anytime for you, Janet.
I'll be asking often.
Text me anytime, Janet.
I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Janet.
Hey, see you, Michael.
See ya.
Bye, Jessica. Bye.
Bye. Bye.